What's going on? Today we're out here on Lower Bed Lake where y'all saw the previous video. Last time we were out here, caught about 40 of them. We're hoping we can get some more of them today. We're just gonna be throwing Ned rigs, drop shots, top water, swim baits, you know, a little bit of everything. And we're just now getting here. It's about 6 o'clock, so we're gonna fish through the night, and we'll see y'all on the water.
Before we can even get the boat in the water, Caleb's out here casting. He's got him a nice smallmouth. He is fighting hard.
Is it bigger?
He's not bad at all.
He will not give up, dude.
Don't let him pull off.
It is a good one. It's got weight behind him. It's like,
It's a good one right there, boy.
before we can even get the boat on the water, of course he's out here fishing.
That's what they do, baby. They pull. They pull your arm
That's a good
off.
one. That's probably a 2-pounder.
Let's weigh him. We got the scales.
He probably is 2 pounds. Hey, Cody.
We got the scales.
That's my rod too. Dude, what the heck?
I need the pliers.
Alright guys, let's take a swim bait out here at the boat ramp. Alright boys, let's get a release on this bed boy.
Evans. 27 hearts beat.
I got it.
Cody's already got one, guys.
Video.
I'm videoing. I got it. I got him. Atta boy, Cody. Number 2.
They may or may not be biting swimbait.
How big? There he is. Yep. Nah.
Yeah, he may be a big.
There you go. 3 more swim bait. Alright, boys. About 10 inches. Finesse fish tonight.
Got it.
Yeah.
Big.
Feels like a good one.
Yeah, he looks like a good one. Hey, you move your rod. That's a good one.
Nah. I mean, it was like,
Almost got him. That was a big one. 15, 16.
yeah.
What?
I haven't got bit beside that one.
Right in the daggone middle of this pocket.
Got it?
Yep. Alright, boys. It's my mouth.
Got him?
Had him.
You got
I
him.
still
you
got him.
They were running out of him.
Got another one.
Ready.
There you are.
Your tail's going.
Oh my gosh, buddy, just let me grab you.
Six.
Number 6.
Covering water.
People think you have to sit all day and wait for a fish to come. There's a huge misunderstanding of fish.
Oh yeah. Feels like it. Oh, running at me. Feels good. Get him in there.
Good boy.
Yeah, I can get it, Caden.
Take it.
Yeah, you got it. All right, guys. Good fish on the swim bait there. They're eating them. All right, guys. Got a good fish there on the Keitech. I think they're eating them this evening. I think it's number 9 here in about 20 minutes. They're busting them.
On lettuce. There he is. There. God, that's a good one.
Digging.
Really?
Yeah.
I can hear it. Got it stuck. Oh, here we go.
On the spinnerbait. On that blade.
Ain't big enough.
Still a good one.
Show them what you come on over there.
Spinnerbait, guys. It's a good one.
Over here.
He's got a little tattoo on him right here.
Let me see. Oh yeah, show them what you coming on. The blade.
The blue blade, baby. Let's get her released, boys. Number 14. Where's your drag so back?
And I'm it's like I'm losing tension whenever I'm bringing it over the top to try to spit.
Was that a
size and
smallmouth?
bring it into here. It might not have been a smallmouth. It was a little bit.
You was little?
Yeah, very, very little.
You sure?
Yeah, 100%. Buddy. Yep.
Tag on.
He's a jumping head, crappy. We're whacking him right now.
What's that, number 11? All right, boys. Number 11. I still got him.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
That's how he knocked the crap out of it.
Mine might have been grass, but I'm...
Number 12, boys. About a 10-incher.
All these pockets are here.
Yeah.
You should know
I
this.
think that second pocket over is the best one.
Any pocket you fish has a small lake, it's gonna hold fish.
I think that second pocket over is the best.
I got it. I can't tell. Yeah. Yeah. I got it.
I got him. Put that.
Yo. Yeah.
There's one or two.
He's a fighter, boys. Hand me the famous stats scale. Alright guys, got him on the top water here. I'm just going to shake him off because I don't want to hook in my hand, but
Alright, Cody.
Did you get bite on the?
Stop recording. Stop recording, start again. Just give it a second. Alright, now do it.
Alright, I'm gonna take these off. Can you set these in here real fast? Okay, let's see if these are working.
That's a big one. Big one. Easy, please don't pull off. He's coming up. Yeah. Hit it right to the boat. Alright guys. I thought I had a big one, but he's okay. He pulled hard. Hit right at the boat. Alright guys, on the Keitech again. It's been slaying them for us right now. So it's about a 14 incher. It's a pretty fish. About dark here, out here on Laurel Bed.
I think this one the big boys yet. That's all I'm gonna say. It has not played off that much. There he is.
got him. Big one.
Big one.
Caleb's got him on. He says he's big. Keep it tight, Caleb.
Get it, Caleb. That's on the sit, man.
Who farted?
That's a better one right there.
It's just preconceived in our mind that when they hit that spinnerbait, it's going to be a big one.
On the blade, boys.
Hey, y'all get to this side of the boat.
Alright, y'all, it's starting to get dark. We're going to stay out here till probably pretty late. We've caught like 20, 21 so far. But we're going to put y'all up for a little bit, and if we get any big ones, we'll get right back at you. Okay, y'all, I don't know if you're going to really see me or not, but we're wrapping it up for the night. The boat's looking good. Got the black lights on it. It's looking pretty nice tonight, but we're gonna wrap it up for the video here today. We caught around 30 smallmouth total. We caught a couple more after we left y'all, but it wasn't worth showing the camera. So we'll see y'all next time, and just click that notification bell, you know, so you know when we get all the, you know when we post the videos. But here's the boys, and we're gonna pack it up for the night. We'll see y'all next time on Forest Fishing.